tour in 30 seconds. So any of you who like to join the tour, we will walk up the stairs to the second floor and stay in front of the mat. And then from there, we'll go up to the fourth floor in the Tibetan Buddhist shrine room where we get to sit and listen to some more stories. Okay, are we ready? All right. So you can come closer. So I'm supposed to have a mic here. Oh, there it is. Thank you, Sherry. Thank you. Test. Want to test? Check. Oh, very good. One test. Oh. All right. Who wants to test? All right. Okay. You want to test? All right. You want to test? Okay. You want to test this? All right. Okay. And one more. The last one. Okay. That's very loud and clear, I think, right? Can everybody hear? So, my name is Tashi, children, and how many of you had a chance to come to the theater when the Tibetan children performed? Raise your hand. Oh, okay, so very few. So maybe some of you missed it, but that's okay. What I said earlier talks about the figures, it talks about the techniques, how these sculptures and paintings are made. And then it also talks about the purpose, why certain things are made. All right. All right. Did anyone hear that? It's a mat, right? So, it's a mat, right? And then this museum that has Himalayan art, the essence of the collection from this museum is coming from what do you see here? Tibet! Yes, Tibet and the Himalayas. So when you think of Himalayas, what comes in your mind? Mount Everest. Oh, she already gave the answer that I was going to question. So, the highest mountain in the world is? Mount Everest! Right, and Mount Everest is right here. So, I see some hands going up already, but I think we have to send the group to the other performance soon. In 10 minutes, I will be releasing all of you to join the other performers. The program next to the means in Tibetan word, Lo means here, Sar means new, so Losar means New Year. And I mentioned earlier in the theater, but it seems like some of you did not get to participate in the theater, so I will share this again. Can anyone tell me how do you greet on Losar? Anybody wants to share? Does anyone know how do you greet on Losar? Okay, I have one hand going up, so I'm going to give the mic.
Losar Tashi Delen.
And what's your name?
Satara.
Tara?
Satara.
Tara. Beautiful. So, on Losar Day, we all wish each other Losar la Tashi Dele. Can everyone say that and greet each other? What do you say? Losar la Tashi Dele or Losar Tashi Dele. So on the Losar Day, I am born and raised in the refugee camps in India. And so on Losar is when we wear new clothes, make these traditional Tibetan cookies called kapse, and our parents tell us not to fight because on Losar Day, if you have arguments or fight or anything, they say whole year you will end up doing that. Nobody wants to fight, right? And then on the Losar day, we try to have good times, be with family, and Losar is actually celebrated for 15 days. Isn't that something? And so on the first day, often families spend time together. And the second and third days, as I recall growing up in the refugee camps, on the second and third days, we invite friends and families over for lunch and dinner. And then I remember when we see any of our relatives crossing by our doors, we would grab them down to come and join for food. And sometimes people end up eating 3-4 lunches because they cannot say no on the Losar day and they have to go visit. And as a courtesy, so that people end up eating so many lunches and dinners. And most importantly, on the 6th and 7th day, then we go to help out in the monastery where they start a big ritual called Pujan from the 8th until the 15th day. So it's all spiritual activities going to the monastery where thousands of people come together to celebrate. So it's a very beautiful thing. And so because we don't have much time, I see somebody raising a hand up. Do you want to come up here and tell me what is it? Oh, okay. So her mother has a Lord Ganesh. And Lord Ganesh is the elephant-headed, half elephant and half human. And in Hindu, the Lord Ganesh is a protector who brings good luck. Okay? And in Tibetan Buddhism, Lord Ganesh is also called Ganapati. In Tibetan, what is his name? I'm blanking. But what I remember, you actually reminded me, as a child growing up in India, my mother used to go to the local Indian fair, and then she used to come home with a Ganesh calendar. Okay, a calendar that has Lord Ganesh picture, and then she would say, wow, so Lord Ganesh is going to bring prosperity and good fortune. So in Tibetan Buddhism, he is also known to be the one who brings prosperity or good fortune. So thank you for reminding that. And so I think this is a good time for us to try to sit together in this very special space, right? See, it's kind of dark and dim. It's similar to when other cultures in the spiritual practice who goes to a church, it's kind of dim like that, right? And so this is a very sacred place. It's called Tibetan Buddhist Shrine Room, where we come and sit together to meditate and to have some contemplation, right? So we believe that when we come together like this, it brings us good energy, good blessing, it brings us good luck and joy. Everybody wants joy and happiness, right? Even the animals, your little dog, pet, if you have at home, if you scream at them, they don't like it. Everyone likes happiness. So let's sit together to bring some joy, to bring some happiness. Okay? Can we all sit together? Did you want to say something?
No.